Today, we're going to be talking about the power of focused work sessions. There are so many distractions. We have social media, we have our on our phones, we have the notifications that we get on our email. Many of us also have plans and thoughts that we are processing mentally, and those are also distractions that can keep us from being as productive as we should be. Now, let's just take the scenario where you're at work and you're trying to get things done, or you're at home and you're trying to do a project. If someone comes up to you and distracts you with a conversation that does not relate to the problem that you're working on, it may take you 25 minutes to get back on track. And when you think about that process of getting back to the place where you were the most efficient at solving problems and you're the most efficient at your creativity and your productivity, that's a lot of time that has been wasted. I know there's a similar concept when you are sleeping, and after a certain period of time, you get into that good REM sleep, and if something interrupts you, you may never get into that deep REM sleep. Same thing happens with respect to productivity. If you're focusing on a job and a distraction comes, you may be at that part mentally where you're the most creative, you're the most productive, your intelligence is firing on all cylinders, and you may be getting a lot of things done from a productive perspective. But when someone distracts you, it may take you 25 minutes or so to get back on track. And if that happens throughout the day, you may never have that moment where you get that heads down time and you're actually able to be as productive as you need to be in order to achieve your goals. So it is important for us to take the distractions that are in our lives and are stopping us from achieving our goals more seriously. This takes us to our next topic. One of the ways to make sure that you're avoiding the distractions that are going to keep you from being as productive as you should be is by creating focused work sessions. There are four reasons why focused work sessions are crucial in today's workplace. Focused work sessions help you increase your productivity because it helps you shut out those distractions, whether they're emails or phone notifications or phone calls or just random impromptu meetings. There's a time and place for that, but you have to have focused work sessions so that you can shut out the distractions that stop you from achieving your goals and focusing on the things that you need to focus on. Focused work sessions help your organization be adaptable to flexible work arrangements. Focused work sessions get the most productivity out of those employees that are parents that have to pick their children up from school. And they also help you get the most productivity out of those employees that are going to school and getting additional skills that they need to be successful in their career. We can all agree that focusing and investing in professional development is a good thing. And focused work sessions allow you to invest in that professional development while also maintaining, if not increasing, your levels of productivity. Focused work sessions also help you boost communication and collaboration in a hybrid environment. We all know that we are the most creative at our jobs when the sharpest minds, the most talented people are all in the same room, throwing out ideas and feeding off of each other's creativity and the intellectual property that they're bringing to the discussion. We get that. And focused work sessions allow us to establish those periods of time where the sharpest minds, the most talented minds, the most productive people at your organization can take a time out to spend doing that brain work, doing those brainstorming sessions, doing those design sessions, doing those working sessions that allow you to come up with innovations that can solve major organizational issues. Focused work sessions are so crucial in today's workplace because they allow you to master the art of deep work. For those of you that don't know, deep work is a state of work that requires intense concentration and focus to solve complex problems. There are some problems at our organizations and at our firms that are not solved year after year after year because deep work has not been done by the most intelligent people at your company.